Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by getting the essentials ready. Verify your smart TV supports AirPlay 2 or has the Apple TV app, then connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, sign into the same Apple ID on your iPhone and on the TV app or enable AirPlay in the TV settings. Make sure software is up to date. Older firmware can block streaming. Now pick the show or movie on your iPhone so you're ready to cast. Next, you'll actually cast. Open the Apple TV app or the content you want on your iPhone, then tap the AirPlay icon, usually in the playback controls, and choose your smart TV from the list. The connection negotiates resolution and audio automatically, but you can tweak subtitles and audio tracks in the player. If video lags, pause briefly to let buffers fill, then resume. For full screen, use the TV remote to exit any overlays. That keeps video smooth and controlled. To finish, confirm the show is playing on the TV with proper audio sync and quality. Use the TV remote to control volume or return home. If AirPlay won't connect, restart both the TV and your iPhone, rejoin the same Wi-Fi, then try selecting the TV again. If issues persist, dropouts, stuttering, or unsupported TV, use an Apple TV box or HDMI adapter as the only reliable fallback for full compatibility. Because wired connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.